Is she just not going to let it go?
Are you kidding? Why did you do that?
Just kind of dumb.
It's just kind of fun.
Not yet. Not yet.
Where did she go?
What are you doing?
I'm filming you. You say hi? Nice pose.
Not me.
It's still going.
What are you doing? Next round's touching.
I suppose it all
What are you doing?
but we probably won't need it.
Jamie? What are you filming?
I'm filming Brielle because she's the birthday girl. Hi, Brielle.
Well, it's pre-washed, but
Can you say hi, Daddy?
Oh my
I
God.
always
Whose birthday is it?
Brielle.
Is it your birthday? Uh-huh.
Brielle.
Brielle, how old are you? Can you say 2?
2.
Say 2.
And I don't think we're going to need it.
Say 2. There's Brielle's ruby cake. There's the other birthday girl. Stephanie's birthday is today too. Did you tell her happy birthday? Hey baby. Come on.
Yeah, he's checking things out.
And there's the birthday boy. Did you say happy birthday to Big Grandpa? Go tell him happy birthday.
My birthday too.
Tell him happy birthday. Can you tell him happy birthday?
I tried calling you earlier.
Tell Big Grandpa happy birthday.